What is translational vector? Space lattice representing any crystal consists of infinite lattice points, where each point has an identical surrounding. Now, if we want to locate the position of any lattice point, it becomes very difficult since each point has an identical surrounding. In such case, we use the position vector or translational vector, which is expressed as where n1 is the number of lattice points along the x-axis. A vector is the vector along the x-axis. n2 the number of lattice points along the y-axis. B vector is the vector along the y-axis. n3 the number of lattice points along the z-axis. And C vector is the vector along the z-axis. Let us now understand how to use translational vector. Consider any lattice point as a reference, and then make it as the origin of a three-dimensional graph. Now for the lattice point, say A, the translational vector will be thus we can say that translational vector is a position vector of any lattice point with respect to the reference lattice point. Related terms are